moment has come. You're ready, you're pumped, you're jazzed, you're trained, you got the skills, you got the personality, but you need the job. You got to get out there. What are you going to do? What's step one? The resume, right? So, how do you put together the dream resume, the perfect resume? We're going to talk about that. But we're also going to talk about how to catch their attention, because just because you send somebody a resume, email them or mail them or drop it off, doesn't mean they're going to read it, but you want them to read it, right? So what can you say? What can you do to catch their attention the first second so you just stand out? What makes you unique? What makes you special? So that's a thought I want going through your brain. How do I know when they glance at this for 1 second that they're going to read on? And would they prefer a paper resume or a video resume, a resume of 30 seconds of you saying how wonderful you are and what you would do and who you are? I think they both work in unison together. But paper, you guys, I think it is antiquated. I think it is old school. I mean, Michael, Scott in the office, they're off the air. Just reruns now. Why? Because A, he made a shitload of money, he's retired, but B, that's an antiquated topic. So we're in the world of technology, digital stuff, texting and emailing, social media. So strongly believe that when you're sending out somebody your old school paper resume, give it some life. Have a 30-second video with it. And we're going to explain to you exactly how you can make magic happen with the paper and the technology. Are you ready? Hello! We're about to talk about how to help get your dream job with your resume. Resumes are often the first and only thing employers ever see or know about you. Your future depends on it. We're going to learn, number 1, how to make your resume stand out. Number 2, how to personalize your resume. Step 3, create a video resume.
My mom has been doing it for over 15 years.
Step 5, how do you nail the interview? Step 6, when the going gets tough, never ever give up. And the piece delivers the stones, a Louology surprise.